Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to clear chat from WhatsApp account. So let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now I can see now open the WhatsApp account. I can see then I show the many friends and delete clear from chat. Now select from any account in the friend. Now click. Now click from three dot option. Now click from menu option and select from clear chat. Now click. Then click from keep started message and click on clear set. Now wait for some moment that it's then all delete in the chats in face WhatsApp. I can see clear set in WhatsApp account is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.